I wrote these words down yesterday. Been feeling stuck, lost my way. Something tells me it's time to leave everything that's weighing on me. And now we're standing by the shore, hearts beating wild, ready for more. We let the river take control. Nothing but peace fills my soul. Just you, me, and the wild. Just you, me, and the wild.
Watching you pause at the riverside, looking down a rushing water wide, counting backwards, 3, 2, 1. Never seen you quite so undone. Your fingers grip the tube so tight, but baby, it'll be alright. The current knows better than me. Just let it take you where you'll be. Oh, 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 better than me. Oh, 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 set yourself free. Trees passing in perfect time, laughing faces all down the line, water splashing, pure delight. You're finally feeling something right. No need to fight against the flow, just breathe and let yourself